Hello everyone, this is another tutorial on how um, making the questions if you have long text or other symbol that you cannot find in PPT. First, you can type in Microsoft Word as usual. After that, you go to PPT and then adjust the size of the PPT, make it portrait like this. Go to design and then slide size, then change the size, make it portrait, and choose this one and click OK and make it max. Now the result be like this, and you delete the design inside of it. Then we go back to the Word and then make it full size like this, and then choose print screen in your keyboard, number 2 from the right if you use laptop. Print screen, then paste, Ctrl V here like this. Now adjust the size of the PPT, just design, and then first crop first. We need to crop like this. Crop. Now we can adjust the size and also adjust the slide. How? We go back to design and then we choose slide size, then we arrange the size based on our need. If me use this one and choose max, then done. Now we put in the center and done. We can continue as usual. This way also can be used for other subject, for example math or physics or chemistry. If you need more symbol and you cannot find it in the PPT, then you can use Microsoft Word and then choose PNG, name the file, like this, and all slides, then OK. Done. Good luck.